In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a PDF in Affinity Designer. Whether you're tweaking a client document, fixing a typo in a flyer, or repurposing a design you only have as a PDF, Affinity Designer gives you a lot of control once you know how to bring that file in and start working with it. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Make sure you've actually launched Designer, not Photo or Publisher, because the interface and tools are slightly different. Give it a moment to load, and you should see the main workspace with the menu bar at the top and a blank start screen or your recent files. Next, you're going to use the main menu to bring in your PDF. At the very top left of the screen, click on File. This is where you'll find all the usual options like creating, opening, and saving documents. From this menu, choose Open. This tells Affinity Designer that you want to open an existing file from your computer rather than starting from scratch. When you click Open, a standard file browser window will appear. Here, navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions or similarly named documents. Once you've found the PDF you want to work with, click on it to highlight it, and then click Open in that file browser window. Affinity Designer will now recognize that you're opening a PDF and will usually display an import dialog. This is where it may ask you how you want to handle things like pages, fonts, or other PDF settings. If you don't need to change anything special, you can simply click OK. This confirms the default settings and tells Affinity Designer to go ahead and bring the PDF into your workspace. If your PDF has multiple pages, you may see options to choose which pages to import, but if you just click OK, it will import based on the default choices. Once the PDF is open, you'll see it appear as a regular document in Affinity Designer. Now you can edit it. This is where the real flexibility comes in. Use the Move tool to select objects on the page, like text boxes, shapes, or images. If the text is editable, you can switch to the Text tool, click on the text you want to adjust, and start typing to fix wording, change fonts, or update sizes and colors. You can also modify shapes and graphics. Select any vector element and change its fill color, stroke, or position. If items are grouped together, you may need to ungroup them first so you can work with individual parts. Remember that depending on how the PDF was originally created, some elements may come in as curves rather than live text, which means you can reshape them but not edit the wording. As you make edits, zoom in to check details and make sure everything looks clean and aligned. When you're satisfied with your changes, you can keep working in the Affinity format or export the document back out as a new PDF using the File menu, and that's the complete process. Open Affinity Designer, go to File, open your PDF, confirm with OK, and then freely edit your document.